First of all, I want to say that it's been amazing working with him, and in general, actually working singing for someone else is quite liberating that way. Just purely because you're not in charge.
The
So
pressure is not
yeah,
there.
it's really nice when you're actually just. It's been great working with him because I really think he's very easygoing as a musician, and he's extremely gifted and also easygoing. So that combination really works well for musicians. When we connect on a musical level, I think there's not much words are necessary because we know what each other's about. There's a very great there's a really nice mutual respect that we have for each other's musicality, each other's musical gifts, which I think is really important in any collaboration. And I think that's one thing that we're blessed to have, and it's beautiful. I'm very happy to have worked a second time because usually people don't call me back the second time. No, I'm just kidding about that. But at the end of the day, it's really nice to be able to work with somebody who's really burning on the scene right now, and he's like he's really doing the most cutting edge work in the Telugu industry, and that's a privilege for any of us, I'm sure.
జిల్ జిల్ మనసే రంగుల్లో మెరిసే ఇదే మాయో మరి మొదలైందిలా తొలిసారిగా ఉఫ్ ఇలాగే ఇది కొనసాగిన సరిపోదుగా.
Right now, just think as a composer. I want you to think as a composer and tell me which line could have been a little better.
Oh, wow.
We change the song.
No, of course not. I really like the song. I don't know. I mean, I'll have
That's
to
diplomacy
go through with
talking again.
fine tooth comb and but it's not. I mean, it's the song is definitely got a very strong genre-based flavor. So it's definitely in that really, and that's Gibran really excels in that. Even the song that I sang in Ran Raja Ran was a dance EDM kind of track, and he really does that well. He does that genre better than anyone else, So he's completely on his home ground when he's composing stuff like that.
నేను ఇప్పటిదాకా చంపేస్తాను నరికేస్తాను అనడం తప్ప వదిలేస్తానని ఎప్పుడు అనలేదు.
ఈ సిటీలో ఎవడికి కాలినా నాకు కాల్ చేస్తారు. అదే నాకు కాలిందనుకో.
నిజంగా నువ్వు ఫైర్ ఆఫీసర్ వేనా? ఐడి కార్డ్ చూపించు.
జిబ్రన్ గారు, సో యూజువల్గా మామూలుగా పేరెంట్స్ ప్రెషర్ ఉంటుంది కదా చైల్డ్హుడ్లో, స్టడీ 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 అని చెప్పి ప్రెషర్ ఉంటుంది. దెన్ మ్యూజిక్ అంటే యూ కెన్ ఆల్వేస్ గో టు దట్ లేటర్, ఫస్ట్ డూ యువర్ స్టడీస్ అని అంటారు కదా. సో హౌ డిడ్ దట్ హ్యాపెన్? లైక్ వెన్ డిడ్ యూ actually realize that your interest towards music?
No, that is maybe, I mean, from childhood, because
Okay,
once I mean, maybe, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 age.
Yeah.
So I started going for singing class, and once I saw Yanni's performance, then I shifted to piano
Okay.
and started doing grades and everything.
Alright.
And it's a long story, but I'll cut it short. Then we shifted to Chennai. Then I started doing jingles, ad films and everything. And
నిన్ను హెల్ప్ చేసినందుకు చిన్న ట్రీట్. కాఫీకి వస్తావా? ఎవడే వీడు? నేను చెప్పిన ఫైర్ ఆఫీసర్.
and one point I realized that I'm stuck in, I mean, inside the jingle platform. That's because I want to learn something and everything, but I became more of a businessman than a musician. Then I wanted to, but later age, like around 26, I earned whatever I earned. So I took that money, I did my 12th standard at my age of 26. So to join a college.
Okay. All right.
Yale College of the Arts. Then I went there, studied classical music composition. 3 years and degree, and so that's how my musical journey happened.
అండ్ ట్రినిటీ కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ మ్యూజిక్
that was from childhood. I completed my 8th grades
ఓకే
in piano and theory, and then I started doing jingles.
ఓకే దట్స్ నైస్.
మిసైల్ లాంటి వాడు డిసైడ్ అయితే ఎలాంటి డేంజర్లే నీ చుట్టూ ఉన్నా మిరాకిల్ లాంటి వాడు దోసేమి గాడే రెస్క్యూలో నువ్వుంటే నీ రెస్క్యూ వీడే
How did your music journey start?
I've always liked to sing, just sing at home, that's all. And I think I sang at a very close friend's funeral. I know it sounds very morbid, but yeah, and that's, somebody asked me to join a choir called the Madras Musical Association. This is about 4 years back, and that's when I actually started singing in a proper choir, which had sheet music, and that was my first exposure to what music outside of school itself was. And yeah, then eventually I met a lot of other people who said, let's start a band. And yeah, that's when we formed a band called Chromosol and Beef Biryani, and then yeah.
Biryani.
Take off my pony, romantic journey. Galaxy అంచులోకి hijack చేసే అందాన్ని.
Login ay pony, tune in ay pony. Mali కౌగిల్లో నా lock ay pony ప్రయాణి.
నేనేమో butterfly, రంగుల్లో తయారై నీకోసం వచ్చేస్తున్నా రయ్యారయ్యారయ్యారై.
Pony, masala pony, mahu tera Ferrari. Chali ka nito చేస్తా సవారీ. Pony, masala pony, mahu tera Ferrari. Chali ka nito చేస్తా సవారీ.
Okay, now one more question for you.
Yeah.
Did you guys hear him sing? Did you listen to any of his
I'll no.
No, just a line, just one line.
Chill 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 manase unti agase. I mean lyrics, okay.
Yeah, not a problem. Yeah.
Oh, no.
He's too good.
Okay, after the interview I'll
Yeah. Okay, one more question for Clinton again.
okay.
If you were to make him sing, what kind of a song would you make him sing?
I have to hear him sing first. And he's like,
Thank God.
he
He
doesn't-
just did,
he doesn't let me
out of the
hear
little
him.
what we just
I
heard.
keep asking him.
No, out of the little what we just heard. So what do you
Probably
think?
a ballad. Probably a nice ballad.
All right.
Practice for 1 year.
జిల్ 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 మనసే రివ్వంటూ ఎగసే జిల్ 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 మనసే రంగుల్లో మెరిసే ఇదే మాయో మరి మొదలైందిలా తొలిసారిగా ఉఫ్ ఇలాగే ఇది కొనసాగిన సరిపోదుగా
జిల్ గోపిచంద్ గారితో మీరు కలిసే ఉంటారు కదా ఈ ప్రాసెస్లో. సో ఎలా అనిపించింది? హౌ డిడ్ యూ ఫీల్ ఆయనతో కలిసినప్పుడు?
Because I've seen Gopichand Garu's film, all are like action films.
Yeah.
So I was a bit tensed in the sense because he's an angry man in the film. But when I met him, he was really a darling. He was really sweet. I mean, everybody, the team itself, the producers, Vamsi Garu and Pramod Garu and everybody. So I'm really thankful to God for making this platform for me.
కొట్టాలంటే నా అంత ఎత్తు బరువు ఉంటే సరిపోదు, అవతల కూడా నేనే అయి ఉండాలి.
యా, అండ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద లాస్ట్ ఫ్యూ క్వశ్చన్స్ దట్ ఐమ్ గోనా ఆస్క్ యూ. కొత్త సింగర్స్లో, ఇప్పుడు వచ్చే కొత్త సింగర్స్లో మీరు ఎలాంటి టిప్స్ ఇస్తారు ఆ సింగర్స్కి? అండ్ కంపోజర్ సైడ్ నుంచి కంపోజర్ అనేవాళ్ళు ఏం కోరుకుంటారు ఒక సింగర్ దగ్గర నుంచి?
Now one good thing in the now maybe because of the media and everything, so there are a lot of new singers coming, but one thing which I might look forward is a kind of unique quality, and I don't know whether singing style or maybe tonal or like very small things, but which can really differentiate from others. But like, you know, all the singers, they are unique. I mean, he can't imitate Clinton, and no,
they've
everybody
got their
have
own,
because
specialty.
that's what make them so special, because it's so competitive. And one main thing which all singers, and even all the singers, I mean a lot of singers, it's the practice, and it's because they've really invested hours and hours of training into it, and that really reflects before the mic, you know, like,
I know,
so that's why, I mean, it's really worth for us, I mean, to go to Mumbai and record them. It's a really a big process, but they really make it, you know, worth when, because so maybe it's as simple as training, and
Next time we'll come to Chennai.
yeah, sure. And training and God's.
That's nice.
Jil 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 manase, rivantu yegase.
Jil 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 manase, rangullo mere se.
Ide mayo madi modalaindila tuli sariga.
Uff, ilage idi konasagina saripoduga.
And thank you so much for the suggestion, and all of you, thank you so much for spending your valuable time here, and then answering all the questions that I've just asked you just out of the blue.
It was awesome. It was really nice to have a very informal interview in a nice setting like this. It was really nice.
You know, all of you made it so comfortable, actually. You know, all the best for your future projects, and hoping to listen to a lot more of Jibran music. Thank you so much.
Thank you.